Welcome to KEBS product demo. Let's begin with CRM Account Dashboard. This is where you'll find all your customer data and activities in one place. You can easily manage contacts, track sales leads, and monitor customer interactions. When you click on an account, you'll get 360-degree view of all its details. Within the Accounts Opportunity section lies an essential tool, the Quote Builder module. In the Quote Builder, you can list the positions required for the project along with specific details. With this information, the system automatically generates the total budget, cost, and gross margin. After project completion, you can compare the project's revenue, generated based on actual efficiency, with the rates defined in the global rate card set at the sales level. This allows you to maintain control and avoid inefficiencies. KEBS is a fully integrated system, enabling you to monitor and control revenue at any level throughout the entire quote-to-cash process. KEBS have dedicated sales dashboard, where you can gain insights into overall opportunities and their values based on their current status. Additionally, conduct segmented analysis using your backlog data to further refine your strategy. In our system, sales personnel have a responsibility for monitoring gross margins, regardless of their role in acquiring new accounts. They can view combined budget information as well as revenue, costs, and gross margin data for their assigned accounts independently, without reliance on the finance team. Here is the project landing page as accounts and projects are integrated. You can create quote-to-cash project from Accounts Opportunity, or you can also create order-to-cash without any opportunity from the project landing page. Upon clicking on a project, you'll be directed to the Project Overview page, where critical project details and completion percentage are prominently displayed. Furthermore, dedicated dashboards are available for each project. My tasks based on status. Recent activities. Planned versus actual tasks. Assigned versus unassigned tasks. Tasks in calendar view. Billing milestone list. Billable versus non-billable timesheet hours. Planned versus actual hours. When it comes to project planning, many project managers have found applications like Microsoft Project and others to be challenging to use. However, KEBS addresses this by providing simple and user-friendly interface for project managers, offering more functionalities compared to other project management tools in the market. With KEBS, you have the flexibility to create your plan as a template for future projects, or adapt an existing template to suit your needs. Additionally, you can create multiple baseline versions before finalizing your project's active version. KEBS also offers the capability to compare the active baseline version with the current project execution, allowing you to monitor and manage critical paths effectively. In the Project Team section, you can efficiently manage your team's assignments. Additionally, involve customers or third-party vendors using the External Stakeholders tab. Easily raise requests for quote positions, which are automatically derived from opportunities, and track their status seamlessly. With resource allocation, ensure optimal team matching for your project needs. In the billing page, you can bill according to the service type specified during project creation, whether it's lump sum, time and materials, license, or internal project. Additionally, we offer billing advice for each milestone, where you can review position or employee-wise timesheet hours, previous recorded hours, and planned hours, ensuring accuracy in resource billing rates and actuals. You can seamlessly move milestones to invoices by submitting the billing advice. Once completed, the milestone status changes to Yet to be billed, and yes, the projects and invoices are integrated, so the milestone will automatically move to invoice from projects. And you can easily manage resource requests raised from all projects in the People Allocation section. Resource managers can allocate resources for specific requests with the assistance of our AI, which suggests the perfect match based on availability and skill set. We offer a dedicated dashboard for people allocation, showcasing key metrics such as demand versus supply, request status, and assigned versus unassigned resources through intuitive graphs. We also provide RMG governance, offering detailed insights into employee status-wise hours, including monthly hours, hour comparisons, and breakdowns by customer, portfolio, project, and individual employee. We offer a comprehensive timesheet feature integrated with projects and employees' departments to capture hours accurately. Employees can submit, save, or recall their timesheets, as well as book hours against project tasks. Additionally, they can add multiple timesheets and book hours using either department or project cost centers. When it comes to invoice billing, we enable you to bill milestones with detailed breakdowns. Additionally, you can modify the actuals of the resources derived from billing advice within project milestones. Following billing of the milestone, you can access the invoice statement as a PDF document, which can be downloaded or directly sent via pre-structured email to the respective stakeholders. Once a milestone is billed, you can record payments received or partial payments by providing the invoice reference numbers and the corresponding amounts collected. These details are summarized in the Collector module, where you can view a graph displaying billed amounts, collected amounts, and accounts receivable for each milestone. Additionally, you can monitor dunning activities within the module. We offer a range of reporting systems tailored to your needs. Starting with the activity report for monitoring account activities, the project internal stakeholder report tracks resources assigned, unassigned, and non-billable resources project-wise. The timesheet dashboard provides insights into billable and non-billable hours, leave status, booked hours by employment type, and overall employee activity. With our comprehensive reporting suite, you can gain valuable insights into your business operations. The Timesheet Stats report offers a detailed overview of employee-wise total hours, billable hours, and non-billable hours booked to date, along with their work location, leave count, holiday calendar, work schedule, and entity, division, and subdivision details. The project report provides a comprehensive view of project-wise metrics, including total revenue, cost, and gross margin, as well as project-to-date figures. It also tracks balance revenue, cost, and gross margin, along with billed and collected values to date. Additionally, the report includes details on accounts receivable and unbilled revenue, giving you a clear picture of your project's financial health. The Subdivision MIS report provides detailed insights into entity, division, and subdivision-wise monthly planned versus actual values and profitability across various posting types. It includes key metrics such as revenue, cost, gross margin, SG&A selling, general and administrative expenses, and profit before tax. This comprehensive report empowers you to analyze performance at a granular level, facilitating informed decision-making to optimize business operations. In addition to these modules, KEBS offers a comprehensive package, including an applicant tracking system, expense management, performance management system, budgeting, compliance, ticketing, visa, and travel solutions. Explore our comprehensive suite of solutions on our KEBS AI webpage today, and contact us to simplify and streamline your business with KEBS.